From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, fixing to get stormy once again as we head into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. In between, mild temperatures got up to at least 78 this afternoon, and tonight will stay in the 60s. Maybe a little fog in the mix as well. So let's get to it. First off, though, we have a drone shot for you today. A nice day out there across the area, spring-like indeed, with that sun and cloud mix. And boy, that sun comes out now. You can really feel it. Felt it this afternoon, and that got our temperatures into the upper 70s. Some stratiform, stratocumulus type clouds right here, mostly stratocumulus, and then some higher cirrus clouds as we look through the sky. So we saw patches of blue as well. Overall, pretty weather day, spring-like indeed. Don't get used to it. Winter's coming back Friday into the weekend. So big picture, here we go. That ridge of high pressure that was dominating our weather, that was in the Gulf yesterday, now moving over toward the Bahamas. And now we have the L in El Paso, the upper level low. This is our next weather maker, and it's going to energize that subtropical jet stream with showers and thunderstorms likely as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. Right now, though, we see a wintry mix across portions of New Mexico, snow at elevation, rain at lower elevation, and showers and a few storms beginning to break out across Texas. We'll watch this activity this evening as we should see an uptick in activity way back to the west of us later on tonight. Meanwhile, for us, it's been a mixture of clouds and sun. More clouds dominating as we went through later in the day. Few spotty showers showed up over eastern Louisiana, but none that really impacted Acadiana. And this is that severe weather risk. As I indicated yesterday, we thought we might see an upgrade from the Storm Prediction Center to a higher risk of severe storms, which has happened. But once again, we always have to challenge that severe weather forecast, especially coastal parishes, with the marine layer that dominates offshore. But what's different this time around, the models are indicating the initiation of the storms offshore, so they're already going to have some juice as they move inland, and maybe the marine layer will be less of a mitigating factor for severe storms. So a level 2 out of 5. Primary threat's going to be storms that could produce damaging winds, perhaps an isolated tornado. So let's take a look at the graph model. We'll stop and go hour by hour. As we head toward daybreak tomorrow, temperatures in the 60s. I'm laying this out a little bit more easily so you can see that right there. And we'll have 100% humidity, so maybe some fog as well. By lunchtime, scattered showers begin to develop. By later afternoon, strong showers and thunderstorms begin to initiate, and then they'll be pushing through the area late afternoon, early evening hours. Again, we're going to say prime time is going to be between about 4 and about 10 p.m. for most of Acadiana. Graph model a little bit faster than the HRM model. We'll show you that HRM model coming up on Acadiana's news channel at 6. And then as we head into Wednesday evening, it quiets down, and going into Thursday, we're looking at mostly sunny skies. Temperatures getting back to near 70. Friday, a little bit of a tricky forecast. An upper level trough is going to be pushing on through. The model insisting on developing some rain. We think that's going to be displaced farther to the east, but something to keep an eye on. I got a 20% chance in the forecast for Friday just in case, but I think most of Friday dry, and if we see rain, it's early in the day. As for rain totals, the graph model always goes a little bit hotter than most of our models, but sometimes it's right on. So we're going to say a ½ inch to an inch and a half of rain. Compare and contrast that with the latest HRM model here, and you're going to see similar results with most folks getting a ½ inch to an inch, but there's going to be isolated hot spots of 1 to 2 inches of rain. You get red showing up there. That's pushing 3 inches, so there could be another good soaking, but the storms will be moving along. It's just going to keep the ground moist, wet, and the mud even wetter once again. A threat tonight, maybe some fog and lowering of cloud decks, so we'll be on the lookout for that, and we'll see if that develops later on tonight, but do expect lower visibility to develop well after midnight and toward daybreak tomorrow. So 64 overnight tonight. We got the fog moving in and a little sound effect to go with that as we head toward daybreak tomorrow. And then for tomorrow during the day, we're going to see, again, mostly cloudy skies during the course of the day. The winds are going to be kicking up out of the south. That should be at 15 to 25, gusts to 30. And then by tomorrow evening, showers and storms coming in. It's going to be quite stormy with gusty winds gusting to about 40 or 45, and some of those storms and maybe a severe weather threat as well. As we move forward, secondary front gets here Thursday night going into Friday. Much chillier weather into the weekend with wind chills as well, and we could see temperatures approaching the lower 30s for Saturday night, Sunday morning, so maybe a light freeze. Not many light freezes on the table. And by the way, Jim, we haven't seen freezing temperatures since that Christmas Arctic outbreak
December, huh?
in Lafayette. Right. It's been all of January and so far through February.
And may all of our plants come back one day.
Yeah, they will come
I don't know.
April.
Mine
Or the
are gone.
weeds coming up already.
Yeah, all right.
Right.
Thanks, Rob.